Hello friends, the next topic is related to the rest of the formulas of text. So first formula is fixed. So I'm giving here the example according to fixed. I'm writing here number. I'm typing formula. Firstly, I've selected number, then decimal spaces. I've selected 3. That means the answer would be 2.000. Next formula is left. It will give you characters from the starting of the text. Like I'm writing here computer. I'm writing formula. This is our text and this is 3. So answer would be COM because it will start from the beginning of the text. Then the next formula is length. It will return the number of characters. Like I'm selecting COM, so there are 3 characters. Let me check if it would contain space as a text or not. Computer, total 8 characters. This computer 9 characters. So space is also a character here. Next formula is lower. It will convert all the letters into the lower cases. So I'm selecting this text and here it's the lowercase form. Next formula is mid. It returns the character from the middle of the text string. Like I'm selecting this computer, comma start number 3. So it will count the position of the third character. Then number of characters. That means how many numbers do you want to check. I'm selecting here 2. So answer would be M and P because it will start from the third character and it will goes up to 2. That means number of characters. Next is proper. This is also the text conversion. Here in Excel we can convert text in 3 cases, like in uppercase, lowercase and proper case. In lower cases all of the letters become lower. In upper cases all of the letter becomes alphabets, capital letters. In proper case the first letter would be in uppercase and rest of the letter would be in lower cases. Like I'm selecting computer, so C would be capital and rest of the characters are in lower cases. Next formula is replace. So I'm selecting here firstly all text. So this is my all text. I'm selecting here start number. I'm selecting here 2. I will start from 2. Then number of characters. How many characters I want to replace. I want to replace only single character. Then new text. Which text I want to insert in place of second position. Like I want star here, bracket, enter. So this is the replacement. Next formula is REPT, that is repeat function. I have selected this number, comma, how many times? I am writing here 5. So answer would be 33333. And at last, I would like to explain about write function. It will return the specified number of characters from the end of the text string. In the left, we get from the beginning, and in the right, we get from the end. This is computer and this is 2. So answer would be ER. So this is all about for today. In the next video, I will explain about the rest of the text formulas. And please share, like and subscribe my video.